How to enter the BIOS or UEFI mode in Windows 11. Method 1. Accessing advanced startup options. First, right-click on the Start menu, select Settings, then go to System. Scroll down and click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. This will take you to the Windows recovery environment. Here is another way to go there. From the desktop, go to Start menu. Click the power icon at the bottom right corner. Hold down the Shift key and click on Restart. After entering the Windows recovery environment, click Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced option, then click UEFI firmware settings. Click Restart. Now you have entered into the BIOS. Method 2. Use the BIOS key during startup. If you prefer the old school way, try this. Restart your computer, and while it's booting up, repeatedly press the designated key for your manufacturer. Often it's F2, delete or escape button on your keyboard. For my MSI motherboard, I am pressing the delete key. And that's how you can enter the BIOS or UEFI mode in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.